Do you think the world is going to be a better place in the next few years? The world is a huge place, and so there are countless things we can do to make it a great place to live. Little things do matter. Small acts of love and care daily can mean much and make all the difference and allow you to enjoy fuller and more satisfying life. By performing a series of small acts each day, we may not see it now, but over time, we'll come to realize how these tiny details add up and create a more wonderful world. The powerful tool to make a better world begins with you. No, I mean me. No, I mean us. Before we can help others, we need to make sure that we're taking good care of ourselves. Self care encourages you to maintain a healthy relationship with yourself so you can transmit the good feelings to others. If you are filled with love and if you do something good, it creates positivity to others as well. And they also do something good, and it just goes on and on. And next thing is everybody's doing something good. Always have a positive thoughts because it creates positivity to others as well. The world will be better having people keep spreading love. Let's start now and make more wonderful world. Whether helping the homeless by charity, support the needy by donating clothes, joining fundraising a walk for education, charity fund run, spreading awareness about collecting waste for recycling, and so much more. Sometimes the little things can make a big difference.